Hello, in this video I will show you how to set up Ipfire and Windows Server. In the next one I will show you how to set up client machines and administrate them with ADA and with GPU. So we need to start from creating new virtual switch. You just click here. First we need to have one external with a create virtual switch. Call it for example WAN. Choose your network card and just apply. Say yes. Next you just click new, internal, create new virtual switch. Everything is, and call it for example LAN. Here now we will be set up Ipfire. So we take virtual machine, take next, IP, like this, next, Gen 2. Let's set like 4 gigabytes. Let's choose the one. Next, it don't need more than 20 gigabytes. Next, so now you need to choose the ISO file. So you just need to direct it to your ISO file. Click next and summary, finish. Now you need to go to settings, go on secure boot, enable secure boot, and you need to take add hardware to add the other virtual switch. Add, you choose your other LAN and apply. So now you can start Ipfire. You need to press space. Okay, so now we just click install. We will take English. Start installation. I accept license term. Okay, delete data. I just choose the first one. Now you just reboot. Here, restart it again. Here you just choose your keyboard. In my case it will be Polish. I will just take, you just take your time zone. I just take Bratislava. I will just call my machine Ipfire, but you should change that name to something else. Yes, okay. I will just type my name. So your root password here. And okay. Here is your admin password. That's for logging into the web GUI. Here you just take green plus red if you don't have nothing else. Just driver assignment. First we take the green one. I think it will be this one. and this one. If you are not on virtual machines but on normal server, you can take identify, and it will flash on the in the back of the server, so you can identify it easier. Here you just need to play roulette and try. Just click done, assign, green, okay. I will just put 101. Okay, red. I will use DHCP. Just okay, done, and we should be good to go. Enable. The start address will be at 20, that we can put things like printers, other servers, and the end address will be like this. Setup is complete. So now it will be reboot and look, and here if the red interface will start or not, because sometimes it will crash. And it looked like it didn't crash this time. That's good. That means we should be able to ping yes, we can ping google.com. That means everything is good. Come on, stop. And we can see here is the external IP and here is the internal IP. So if you're getting red on the interface, on the red interface it get error, you just take setup, go to networking, and driver and card assignment, click here OK. Oh, my computer connected to the Ipfire. Okay, and you just remove them and change them on and reboot them, and it should be fixed then. Just quit. Now we can just actually close the window, and now we can start to set up Windows 22. New virtual machine, next, Windows 22, Gen 2, we'll give it, I don't know, like 4 gigabytes too. Actually this one have too much, I can remove that later on. We connect it to LAN, to the Ipfire now. It don't need more than 120, actually like 100, but more place. Now we just put it in the Windows server, open, next, and just finish. We can start it right away. Remember to spam space at the start or else it won't start here. Now we can take Windows setup. Here you just choose your time and currency. Next, install now. Now we need to just wait until, I will choose the desktop experience because I'm not good at PowerShell. I accept the license term. Next. Custom installation, you just choose the disk. Next. Wait until it finish, then it will give you like login options and you just fill them out. It will restart, you can just press restart. Okay, now we need to type your administrator password. Just stay connect. Okay, now we can just type our password. It will take some time because I didn't give it too much RAM because I don't have too much. Just take yes. Now we should be soon connected to the Ipfire. I just let everything start. Yeah, we have IP21 because we set that the IP will start at 20. So that means we should be able to browse the internet too. Oh my god, Edge, my favorite browser. I don't give a shit. So we should be, for example, able to go on Google. Why you don't want to connect? Maybe I can just try to restart both this and this. So it will be maybe get fixed. Because it showed that it gave away the IP address, but sometimes it just happens. It is just. Of course now we don't gonna have internet because it's rebooting, but it just wait. The red interface is okay. Here, so this is started. Oh yeah, here, like you can see, now it have internet. Now you can just go on YouTube or Google. Here you can see it works. So now we can yeah, it is slow because little RAM. So let's just start from going onto the Ipfire's web GUI. So we need to just type the IP address to the Ipfire, and the port standard is 444. Advanced, continue to unsafe, admin, password, and now we can go to the network DHCP server. Primary DNS will set on 2, secondary DNS will be at the Ipfire, so we can set it, and we can go to, can save that. We're going here onto the where the machine is. I think the machine, this Windows machine is. Let's go to the PowerShell. We are on 21. That means this one here. Because this is my normal computer, this desktop. This. Add. And change that to number you want it to be. I will put it on 2. So just take update. So now it should work okay. So now we can go into the here file manager, this PC, properties, rename this PC and give it a name that you're gonna remember. So for example, in my case, I can just put in and put a name that won't collide with other names in the network. So like we'll just name it I just call it Patrick 1 because I have already called this PC my name. So I just take next. Restart now. Just continue. Now it will restart and update the IP, and we can download the DNS server and set up the forest. You can download to rest of the things. So let's just go to let's wait to start it. Now we can take manage, add roles and features, next, next, next. So we want the DNS. We'll wait to download the rest of the things because so it don't collide with this installation. Just take next and install. As you can see, here is the our PC name, so it's kinda important, or you're gonna need to type all this desktop x69 and all of that. So it's successful, installation successful. Close. Now we can add roles and features, and Active Directory Manager and Service we can add. Network policy assignment, and I think the web server can be too. It's I think I think it will be it. We can take that too. Let's take next, next. Yeah, I think just take next. Install. It will take some time, but just wait and we will then start to configure the DNS. So it's successful. Close. Now it, as you can see, it wants us to configure. So this is, I can just take this one, add the new forest. This is configure the DNS, add forest. I just put in just my name and yeah. But remember that need to be unique. You can just type my things. Password, just put your password. This will be to log into this computer, to this server, so remember that password. Just take next. Next. And the next, just click install. And actually I should not install this one, it's not important in our case. It will say you are about to get signed out. Just wait till you get signed out. There we go. Now we need to type at the username administrator and the password. You're gonna see it will be different now. It won't be just your password, but you need to type administrator. It is now kinda slow because it's applying settings. Here we go. Just log in as administrator. Your password. Here we go. So now we can just wait till it start. So now you have set up the DNS and the Windows 7 Ipfire. That means you are now able to go to administrate the users and computers and GPU. And group policy. So it is kinda slow, as I said, because I have gave it little RAM. Oh yeah, it started. I just didn't see it. So now we can just here administrate your users. So that's it for this video. I will make another video how to connect the client machine, install them, and show you some things you can in the GPU that you can do to administrate them, share the disk and things like that. So thank you for today's video and goodbye.